catching feelings, baby.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 I wanna play deep. Deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, 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 and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, deep, then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, deep, deep.
cater to you.
you guys can see, I finished my hair. I only had to use 4 packs of hair, so I have 4 more packs if I wanted to do another style. This by far was some of the best crochet hair I've ever installed, because the loops were easy to maneuver. Now I do have nails, so my nails kept getting caught in it, but that's a me thing. That's not the hair's fault. But Niseyo's hair, like, this is so soft. It's really, really pretty. Like, I wish I would have got this hair before I went to Miami, because I would have wore it in Miami. It's super cute. I think it's either 12 or 14 inches. Of course, you can cut it shorter if you would like a more of a bob look, but I did the illusion box braid pattern. Literally, I did the boxes all the way down, because, you know, my hair is super short because I big chopped in February. So I cannot cornrow my hair yet. It's just not long enough. I don't braid tight enough. Also, my nails were in the way, so I just did rubber band method literally all the way down, as you guys saw in the video, and crocheted them in. It didn't take long at all. I think it took maybe 30 minutes to do it. And yeah, I really, really like this hair. You do get 8 packs. Each bundle has about 12, 13 in them, and this is only 4 packs. This is all the hair pulled to the front, only 4 packs, and it's very lightweight. Like, it's pretty bomb. It's really, really bomb. So I want to thank Niseyo Hair for sponsoring this video and sending me this hair to show you guys, to review. And if you want to do, you know, other styles with it, of course you can. It's like literally like the easiest, most lightweight hair. Like, it's really, really nice. I really have no complaints on the hair, and I'm excited to do another style with the other bundles that I have left. But yeah, so if you like this hair, don't forget to thumbs it up. I'll have the link to the hair in the description box below. I want to thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye guys.